Looking at the name or the title, SierraChart Indicators or SierraChartIndicators.com as a website, this could indicate that this is a indicators an indicators selling uh, website. In fact, it's not. Indicators are just the beginning, and indicators are your start towards a new journey, because the main indicator that we are teaching is volume profile, which is throughout you learning about it further and the website, you will understand that volume profile is key to knowing the accurate levels. We've been using indicators for ages, and sometimes you wonder why a certain indicator will not hold at certain levels while it will hold at different levels. For example, your Fibonacci, sometimes your 50% will hold beautifully, sometimes it wouldn't hold. Now, once you understand volume profile, once you use it against your Fibonacci levels, then you will understand why certain levels will hold. So it's a roadmap to seeing the moves and the interest of the market makers in doing business in certain levels versus not doing business in certain levels. So this is not only an indicators website, it's basically a complete system, a trading system with trading education, with support, and also trade calls, live trade calls, directional suggestions for anybody who's doing swings or even options. Or you can use this whole system as is, or you can add it to your own current system that you are using. Either or, it's huge. Now, this being said, let me show you a few things before I move forward. This is the Euro US. You see how beautiful the volume profile was lined up at the bottom. Also, we had a power line indicator, and if you couple it up with the main indicator that showed up here, the SAL indicator, substantial action level or attraction level. See how it bounced up from it. Furthermore, you see these levels, how the market went through them fast. Meanwhile, on the top of this level, held the resistance multiple times, held support multiple times. It's true throughout, and throughout the entire map of instruments that we trade. Let's say U.S. oil. If you look at the longer term U.S. oil, same thing. Look how the market held up at the bottom. You see here. You see on the 60-minute chart on the U.S. oil, it looks busy, but of course you can sharpen. See how the volume profile, you can sharpen the edges also, or smoothen the edges. You notice how this magenta line held the crude on its tracks here, right here at 87 area. Furthermore, if you look at the bigger picture on the crude, you notice how this area on volume profile held the crude from going any further at this moment. You see this? The crude, you see this is the bottom of the volume profile level here, and see how it held it from going any further. So once it goes further, it might continue back up. So we're not going to be looking for shorts, etc. So there are a lot of videos on the website that will help you understand volume profile, and we have much more advanced videos in the members area once you become a believer, once you become a full member. So volume profile is key to levels. SAL indicator, which is substantial attraction levels, is important for confirmations, power lines, and we have a few more indicators that will help you tremendously in achieving your trading goals. Knowing how to anticipate the next move. Anticipation is key, folks. If you don't anticipate your market or the next move, you're gambling. Now, even if you anticipate the next move, where is your stop loss? How big is your stop loss? It's all scientific. It's all stems from the volume profile, and it's all in the education we offer. Okay? And the next one is how to confirm. What do I have to confirm my next move? We have that for you. And execution. What is the best way to trade the markets? Of course, everybody has a different way of execution, different way of managing the trades, but unless you ace the trade, which is anticipate, confirm, execute, you are missing one step. We are doing our best to prevent people or traders from gambling. Therefore, this system is key. And yes, indeed, you don't have to change your trading software, you don't have to change your broker because what we offer is unique. First of all, you can start with 2-week trial for free through the website, through SierraChart itself. And then with that, you can have our indicators, you can have our chart books all installed. You can use them, you can try them, you can look at them. And even after you sign up, there is a deal where we will offer paying for your SierraChart platform as a member. So now you can use our indicators as a standalone platform where you can look at the charts, look at the indicators, and trade your any platform you have, whether it's a Ninja Trader, whether it's an MT4, MT5, it doesn't matter. As long as you see the market with the volume profile, you visualize it. It's good. The one thing about what we offer is the SierraChart as a platform offers a tremendous amount of instruments that could hold volume profile, so you can see the markets in a clear way. For example, I look at gold for here, gold 60-minute chart. How beautiful this is! How nice the gold is looking here. I'm looking at U.S. oil. I'm looking at euro US, pound US, looking at SPX 500. I like SPX 500. I like the CFDs, the indices CFDs, such as the Dow, the Nasdaq, all of them. So this is the beauty of SierraCharts, and it doesn't take a lot of space on your platform. It's easy to use. It's easy to manipulate, especially if you already have these templates already installed on your computer. It's a simple thing. I'll just send it to you. We'll send it to you. You'll just install them and look at them. Of course, there's on the website there's a lot of training as well, free training. Just make sure that you go to the training page and look at the website's videos and enjoy.